This is the website that we have, and we want to put some items right in between the section here. So we're going to go into the Quicksite editor. We'll find that area. We'll push add section. We're going to push items and select and continue. The first thing that I want to do is create the style for this section. So we're going to choose an image. We'll push upload. This background is white, which means that if the image takes longer to load, you'll see a white background. We're going to change that by choosing some of the colors that we have. I believe we'll select this one. What I'm going to do is lower the opacity of that background, so it kind of gives a nice effect there. Add a title for this section. We'll say, what fish should I buy? Actually, we'll say get. We'll choose our text and we'll make this white using the color picker from previous colors that we've used. We'll activate this section and we'll save it. So now it looks just like this. When we push on the pencil, we can edit this section. We can go to items and start adding our items. It starts with a default image. We're going to go to cover text. We'll add black skirt tetra. We'll choose from our font book, caveat. We'll make that white using the color picker there, and 21 pixels should be good. We'll go down to images and add an image. We'll find our black skirt tetra and upload. Once we save, we can go to items, add another one. Same exact thing. Cover text is going to be Venezuelan corridora. Font book, caveat. We'll go down to our color picker, pick white. Do images, add an image, choose, and we'll find the corridora. One thing that we didn't do in the layout is actually choose how many items per row. For mobile, we'll have 2, and normally we'll have 4. For the spacing between, we'll do one more tick, and we'll make them slightly wider with rounded corners. And let's save that, see if they look nicer. Yeah, they do. The background is still a little impeding. We're going to go back to background and lower that opacity a bit more and save. So it's a lot darker. When we edit, we can add additional items. We'll do cover text. This one is going to be autosynclus. Font book, caveat. We'll choose our white and 21 pixels. Images, and this will find the autosynclus. Save that. Items again, add an item. So fairly simple at this point. This one is going to be a rainbow shark. Font book, caveat, white, 21 pixels. We'll add an image. We're going to find the rainbow shark and upload. Cover text. This is going to be a Serpei tetra without the J. Cover text, caveat, white, 21. Images, add. We'll find the Serpei tetra and upload. Next one is add an image. Let's see, we're going to do a dragon scale beta. Caveat, white, 21. We'll find the image, upload, save, items, add. And the last one that we'll do for now is going to be a dwarf shrimp. Choose our font, white, 21. Oops, not the description. We'll do the image. Save that for later. Upload, save, and we'll save that section. So we have all of our images here. We'll save this section as well because it looks like, actually we'll add a little bit more padding in between. Spacing in between. Let's go back to the website. We're going to refresh and see what it looks like. There we go. We added our items fairly quickly. They're all clickable, so you can actually see larger images of them as well. And of course, go through them in this light box that we have. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.